So, Kia Pride update from this morning. I still have not given it a wash. I've just had a quick look at it, sorted out a few mechanical issues. Yesterday I noted, and you can probably see, I hope it picks out in the sun, we've got these marks here, all along here, all along there, and do you know what, it really lets the car down. And I looked at it and I thought, well, that just looks like paint, and that's exactly what it is. It's like overspray spray paint where someone's gone absolutely crackers with a touch-up pen, and it's all over. It's down the side here, at this end here. So I'm going to do a little tricks of the trade for you, in that I use this stuff, which is professional UPVC cleaner, and what it does is it doesn't affect the lacquer and the base coat, because this is a 2-pack car, but it does take off all this horrible overspray. It's basically a thinner, and it works wonders. This side not so bad. We've got some here. It's just where someone has gone to absolute town with touch-up paint, and they've done a really bad job, and it really lets the car down. You can see it a mile off. So that's the update on that. I've started to clean the interior now. Done this side, and she's got quite well. All I've done is given it a hoover out. I've not cleaned any plastics or treated any plastics yet. Passenger side looking nice. Driver's side and driver's rear still not been done, but door cards coming up nicely. So yeah, I'll give you an update on all this soon. Okay, so if you remember that this door was looking pretty ratty. It was looking like this, to be honest with you, stuff all over it. We've got paint gashes, and someone had really gone to town with, I don't know if it's touch-up pen or what, I don't know what they've put on it, but hey ho. So I used my thinners, and here's that door now. And the difference is unbelievable. I won't lie, if you get up really close, there's still the odd scuff, which I can take out. It's not an issue. But I really needed to clean that panel off, get rid of that trash that was on there, just to see what was underneath. And a lot of it was paint from another car or something that had squawked down the side of it. So someone, rather than buffing it out, decided to put paint all over it. So there's an update on that door. Okay, so panel update. Looking alright. I've done this door. Oh, it's the bin. I've done this door, and there's things that have come up nicely. There's areas where there was scuff. There's still some areas here that'll polish out, in my opinion. But I've got to, please bear in mind, I've literally just wiped the paint off. I haven't polished it, compounded it, anything else yet. There's areas like this where some absolute mouth breather tried to break into the car at some point. You can see that's where someone's tried to break in, which will never be right, but I can get that looking tidy. I'm not going to be able to do anything about rot. All this maybe. This is quite a nasty scuff, but I can make it look better, and it looks better already without all that paint on it. So yeah, update on that side. What else have I done? I've had a little play around here. That wheel arch has been touched up at some point quite badly. It is what it is. I can't do anything about that. There's a little bit on the bonnet and on the grille I need to look at. And then this side, I suppose. This bit next. This side. And we'll go from there. More updates to come. So after a full day of tinkering and bits and pieces, it's not finished yet, I hasten to add, but she's looking a lot better, isn't she? Those doors have come up nicely. Very nice. Still a mark here somewhere, and still dents and bits and pieces, but I'm never going to be able to do anything with that. Wheels have come up nice. This wing at some point in its life has been repaired and painted, which is why it's probably rusting, because it's probably a pattern part. And someone here has painted the bumper. This is annoying. I'm looking forward to getting this replaced. Yes, she's come up okay. Here we go, just having a look. This is just after a wash and a clean and a general tidy up. There's no machine bin on it yet. I'm going to machine polish it up. It's come up nicely. And now it's going to rain. Maybe. So yes, looking good. Have a look at the interior. I've given it a good old clean out. Hoover, tidy, polish. On the inside, still got the plastics to do. Rear seats. Actually, the camera makes them look worse than they are. They need a good old brush still, but they've caught nicely. How's the back? Not a bad day's work.